Brainiac, an apology.
Come in. Hello, Mr. Tickle. Would you stand over there, please?
In a previous episode of this programme, we made the following claim. It is believed that no human being can lick their own elbow, as the combined maximum length of the neck and tongue is about 2 inches shorter than the length of the upper arm.
I'm sorry, nurse, I can't do that.
However, a number of viewers have written to us demonstrating that this statement was not in fact correct. We take our science very seriously here on Brainiac. As such, we make rigorous checks to ensure mistakes are not made. It will not happen again.
The other way is that.
So please, don't send us any more pictures and videos. We've learned our lesson.